In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Dashlane master password. Understanding how to update this crucial piece of security within your Dashlane account can ensure that your personal information and saved passwords remain protected. Let's go through the process step by step to make sure you can do this confidently and securely. First, you'll need to navigate to the Dashlane dashboard. This is your main hub within Dashlane where you can manage everything from your saved passwords to your security settings. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so using your current login credentials to access this dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, your next step is to find and click on the My Account section. This is typically located at the top of the page, and it's where you'll manage personal settings related to your Dashlane account. As you hover over My Account, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Entering the Settings menu is where you can modify aspects of your account ranging from security features to personal information. Within the Settings section, look for something labeled Security Settings. It's essential to go through this section because this is where Dashlane offers tools to keep your account secured, including changing your master password. Upon entering the Security Settings page, you'll notice various options, one of which is the master password. Dashlane keeps this option readily accessible because it's a critical part of your account security. Click on the View option next to the Master Password section. This action allows you to examine the details specific to your current master password, preparing you to make any necessary updates. Next, locate the Change Master Password option. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a screen prompting you to enter your current master password. This ensures you're authorized to make the change. Enter your current master password, then proceed to input your new master password. Remember, it's crucial to create a password that's both strong and memorable. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure it's not something easily guessed, yet something you can recall without difficulty. Once you've entered both the current and new passwords, confirm the new master password once more when prompted. Ensuring accuracy here is important, as this will prevent any login issues in the future. After everything checks out, save these changes. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your master password, bolstering the security of your Dashlane account. Following these steps ensures that you stay in control of your online security. It's a good practice to update passwords regularly and to keep them secure. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on keeping your online accounts safe.